Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English podcast for beginners. My name is Helen, and I am so happy you are here with us today. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this episode a like. Your support helps more people learn English with us.
And I'm John. Today, we are talking about one of the most important everyday topics, your daily routine. Morning, afternoon, evening. Simple but very powerful language. You use it every day, so let's make it easy and comfortable for you.
Exactly. We will learn new words, repeat useful phrases, practice slow sentences, and make 2 long dialogues. This episode is longer, so take your time and relax. Let's begin.
Let's start with the morning. I will tell you about my morning routine, and then Helen will tell you about hers. After that, we will practice repeating the sentences together. In the morning, I wake up at 7. I stretch slowly. I drink a big glass of water. Then I open the blinds and let the sunshine in. I make breakfast, usually eggs and toast. After breakfast, I read the news for a few minutes. This helps me start my day with a calm mind.
My morning is a little different. I wake up very early, around 6. The first thing I do is open the window. I love fresh air in the morning. Then I make my favorite coffee. I sit quietly for a moment and enjoy the warm cup. After that, I make breakfast for my family. Sometimes oatmeal, sometimes fruit.
Now, let's practice morning sentences together. Repeat after us.
I wake up early.
I drink a glass of water.
I make breakfast.
I enjoy a quiet morning.
Very good. Repetition helps the words stay in your mind.
Now, let's add more morning phrases. Repeat slowly after us.
I open the window.
I stretch my body.
I read the news.
I drink my coffee.
Great job! Your pronunciation is getting better already.
Now, let's move to the afternoon. I will tell you about my afternoon routine. In the afternoon, I work. I answer emails. I write messages. I have meetings. Sometimes I go outside for a short walk to clear my mind. Fresh air helps me think better and feel more focused.
My afternoon is a little different. In the afternoon, I study English. I watch videos. I listen to podcasts. I practice speaking. Sometimes I cook lunch. I also like to take a short break to rest my eyes.
Let's practice afternoon sentences now. Repeat after us.
I work in the afternoon.
I answer emails.
I study English in the afternoon.
I take a short walk.
Great job! Let's add more afternoon phrases to make your vocabulary stronger.
Repeat again.
I cook lunch.
I take a short break.
I watch English videos.
I practice speaking.
Wonderful work! You are doing amazing!
Now, let's move to the evening. In the evening, I cook dinner for my family. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. Then I sit on the sofa and watch a show. I enjoy peaceful evenings. Sometimes I read a few pages of a book before bed.
I prepare dinner, talk with my family, and later I read a book. I love reading in the evening. It helps my mind slow down and relax. Sometimes I listen to soft music while I read.
Let's practice evening sentences. Repeat after us.
I cook dinner in the evening.
I watch a show.
I read a book before bed.
I enjoy a quiet evening.
Very good. Now let's add more evening expressions. Repeat again.
I clean the kitchen.
I listen to music.
I relax on the sofa.
I get ready for bed.
Great job! Now let's put everything together in a long dialogue. Just listen the first time.
John, what do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up at 7, stretch, drink water, and make breakfast. And you, Helen, what do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up early, open the window, drink coffee, and enjoy a quiet moment.
Nice! And what do you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I study English, cook lunch, and sometimes take a short break. What about you?
I work, answer emails, and take a walk when I can.
And in the evening?
In the evening, I cook dinner, clean the kitchen, watch a show, and sometimes read a book.
In the evening, I talk with my family and read. Evenings are peaceful for me.
Now, it's your turn to practice. Repeat our key sentences again.
I wake up early.
I work in the afternoon.
I cook dinner in the evening.
I read a book before bed.
Wonderful. Now think, what is your daily routine? What do you do in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening? Write your routine in the comments below.
Writing helps you remember. Writing helps your brain store new words. We read every comment and we love seeing your progress.
Repetition works. Writing works. Practice works.
Thank you so much for listening today. Please subscribe to our channel and give this episode a like. It really helps us.
Until next time, bye for now.